Hi, hello viewers, welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to teach you how to do a 3G cutting technique for your plants. What is 3G cutting technique? It is the third generation cutting technique. In which plants do you think you can use this technique? You can use it in cucumber, bottle gourd, rich gourd, and even pumpkin. And they have also been tried in some other plants like brinjal, chilli, tomato, and lady's finger. So now what is the purpose of doing this 3G cutting technique? Basically the first and the second generation branches, that is the primary and secondary branches, mainly give out only male flowers, and you all know that male flowers are not going to give you any fruit or vegetable, whereas only the tertiary branches or the third generation branches is going to give you a lot of female flowers. So in a small patch of land you can expect large production using this technique. So I'll tell you how to do this 3G cutting technique. First, after you sow your seeds, the plant will grow up to a height of about 6 to 7 feet, and this is the primary branch that you can see here. Make sure there are no secondary branches until then. So after this 6 or 7 feet, at this particular point I gave a cut. So when I gave a cut at that particular point, I had 2 branches coming off. So now this is going to be my second generation or secondary branches. Now allow these secondary branches to reach a height of about 2 to 3 feet and then make the second cut. This second cut will give you 2 separate branches. So this is the point where your tertiary branches begin. The tertiary branches are then allowed to grow, and this is what will set a lot of female flowers and fruits. There are some important points when you're doing this 3G cutting. First, the plant should be in proper sun shining area during the cutting procedure, and make sure that the soil is adequately moist, and the plants can be prone to diseases, especially when you're cutting and it is exposed to the sun and moisture. Make sure you do not allow any suckers to grow there till the plant acquires the required height. And if there are some suckers like that, you can pinch it off at their initial stage, and keep the number of branches to the minimal so that it helps easy sun penetration and the airflow, which is essential to keep the plant healthy. Though it gives you a lot of yield, there are some drawbacks and challenges with this 3G cutting. The first being, it requires a lot of manpower with technicalities, and it's a tedious job. You have to keep on giving it some regular attention. Yet using this technique, if you give good attention, you will have lots of female flowers and beautiful production of fruits and vegetables. So folks, I hope you found this video to be useful. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. I'll come back with more useful videos. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.